Welcome to the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. If you're looking to enhance your token's trading activity and increase its visibility, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring the SUI BlueMove Volume Bot, a powerful tool designed to automate trading, boost token volume, and create realistic market activity. Let's break it down. Token visibility is key to market success, and trading volume plays a huge role. The SUI BlueMove Volume Bot is your solution for 1. Creating multiple wallets for decentralized activity. 2. Transferring SUI tokens for gas fees. 3. Continuously swapping tokens to create buy-sell orders. 4. Monitoring wallet balances in real time. 5. Transferring unused tokens back to your main wallet. 6. Reclaiming any leftover SUI efficiently. Whether you're preparing for a token launch or maintaining healthy market activity, this bot has got you covered. The first step to simulating organic trading activity is creating multiple wallets. The bot allows you to generate unlimited wallets effortlessly, ensuring decentralized and distributed activity. Each wallet needs SUI tokens to handle transaction fees. The bot automates this process, transferring the exact amount of SUI to ensure smooth trading. The core feature of the bot is its ability to continuously place buy and sell orders. This creates a realistic trading volume, increasing the number of transactions, market makers, and takers on the BlueMove platform. It's the perfect way to boost your token's market presence. Transparency is essential, and the bot provides real-time balance checks for every wallet. You can monitor funds and trading activity with ease. Once the bot achieves your volume goals, unused tokens can be transferred back to your main wallet with just a click, saving resources. Finally, the bot transfers any leftover SUI back to your primary wallet, ensuring cost-effective operations. Here's how to get started with the SUI BlueMove Volume Bot. 1. Upload your private key or connect your wallet securely. Specify the number of wallets to create. 3. Enter the SUI and token amounts to distribute across wallets. Set parameters for swapping, such as trade intervals and amounts. 5. Hit Start to let the bot execute buy and sell orders continuously. With its intuitive design, anyone, from developers to token marketers, can use this bot effectively. The bot's interface also allows you to monitor trades, balances, and even pause or tweak operations as needed, ensuring maximum control and efficiency. Using the SUI BlueMove Volume Bot comes with numerous advantages. 1. Boosted trading volume. High trading volume attracts traders, improves token credibility, and enhances the token's market perception. 2. Realistic market activity. By decentralizing activity across multiple wallets, the bot creates a realistic trading ecosystem. 3. Increased number of transactions. The bot increases the number of transactions, making your token more appealing to DEX algorithms and potential investors. 4. Cost-efficient operations. Unused tokens and SUI are recovered efficiently, ensuring no wastage of resources. While the bot offers significant benefits, here are some considerations. Initial funding is required for SUI and tokens. Overuse might signal inorganic activity if not managed well. It's essential to monitor the bot to ensure optimized results. By keeping these factors in mind, you can maximize the bot's effectiveness while maintaining market integrity. Thank you for watching the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. The SUI BlueMove Volume Bot is the ultimate tool for boosting token volume and activity while maintaining control and transparency. Ready to take your project to the next level? Contact us today for custom DApp development tailored to your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more innovative blockchain tools. See you in the next video.